Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. And in this video, I would like to show you how you can use your Twitter handle effectively to increase your reach, to increase user engagement or brand awareness with the help of automation. Okay, so suppose that you have a team working for you to create great content for your social media accounts like Twitter. Okay, so manually taking the data from them to compile a post for social media handles like Twitter can be very tiresome and problematic for you because you have to take the data manually. Like you have a person who is designing photographs for you to post. So you have to take the photos from them, then you have to write a caption, then you have to post it. It can consume a lot of your time unnecessarily. Okay, so why don't you use this automation which I am about to set up, and that will allow you to post tweet from your Twitter handle from your Airtable base automatically. Okay, so here you just have to put the data compiled by your team in a base that you have in Airtable, and the tweet got compiled automatically and will be posted from your Twitter handle automatically. Yes guys, this can happen. Let me show you how it is going to work. So the flow of this automation will look something like this. As and when you enter the tweets content in Airtable, the same content will be compiled and will be posted as a new tweet in Twitter. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part of setting up this automation, guys, is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So now let us set up this automation together. So the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. So guys, please do check the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And that will give you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay. And after setting up your account, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And here you have to set up this automation by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button. And here you can give any suitable or beautiful name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So here I have given the name to this workflow as auto post tweets in Twitter from Airtable. Okay. So now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. Okay. And on this page, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So our automation work on these two things. The trigger is the happening of any event and the action is the response to the trigger. Okay. So in our use case, the trigger would be entering of content in Airtable in a row, and the action or the response to that trigger would be to post the tweet according to the data that you have entered in Airtable in Twitter. Okay. So first of all, you have to set up this trigger here. So click here on this trigger section, and from this choose app field, choose your trigger application. So in our use case, the trigger application is Airtable. So type Airtable here. Here it is. Select it. And then it will ask for the trigger event. So the trigger event would be new record, because it triggers the workflow when a new record is available. Okay. So click on new record option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection option, and here it will ask for the token API key to make the connection with Airtable. So we are making the connection with Airtable to fetch the data of content from Airtable to Pabbly Connect here, and with the help of that data we are going to set up this automation further. Okay, so to find this token, you have to reach to your Airtable's dashboard. This is my Airtable's dashboard, guys, and here is the base I am using, known as Twitter, and this is the table I have in this base. Okay, so I am clicking on this profile icon from here, and you will find this account section. Click on accounts, and from this page when you scroll down, you will find this API key here. So you just have to copy this key from here and paste this key here in Pabbly Connect in this token field like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Airtable. So you can see we are connected now, and now it is asking for the base's name, the table's name, and the trigger field. Okay, so guys, you can create many bases in Airtable. So here it will show you the name of all the bases that you have created till now in Airtable, and the base I am using is this one. You can see Twitter. The name of my base is Twitter. Okay, so select your base from this base field, type Twitter here and you'll find it. Okay, and now it is asking for the table's name. So here when you click on this field, it will show you the table's name. Select it, and here it is asking for the trigger field. So you must have this trigger field in your Airtable's table or base you have. So in base I have this table added here, and here I have this column, and the header of this column is created, and it captures the time and date of this row creation. Okay, so whenever you enter any data here in the row, this column will capture the date and time of the creation of this row. So here you can select this, you can customize this field type. When you create a column, you should select the field type as this. You can name the, and you can give any name to this column, and but select the field type or column type as created time. From here, from this drop down, select this created time. Okay, then you can select the format. I'm selecting this local format, which is YYMM DDMMYY. Okay, and you can select the time format and click on save. So whenever you enter a new row here, this column is going to capture the date and time of the creation of the row. Okay, so as and when this column captures the date and time, the workflow will trigger here and captures the data of the row here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, that's why it is necessary. So we have selected these two things, and we have the trigger field named as created. Now click on save and send test request, and the test data of a row that we have in Airtable will be fetched here in Pabbly Connect. Let me show you. So I have clicked on save and send test request, and you can see in the response received, we have this field link, which is the image link that we have here. This is the message, and this is the creation time and date. Okay, so this is the image link that we have here in Airtable. Let me show you. This is the image link. I can show you the image also. Okay, this is the image, and this is the same image got fetched here in Pabbly Connect. Let me show you. Right, so this is how the data will be captured. Now I want to create a new tweet from Twitter handle of mine with the help of this data that we have just received. Okay, for that you have to set up your actions tab, and from this choose app field you have to choose now the action application, which is Twitter. Here it is, and now you have to select the action event as create a tweet, this one, or create tweet with media, because we are posting a tweet with a media or a photo. So select this, create a new tweet with media. Okay, then click on connect, then from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Twitter, and from here it will ask for the authorization of your Twitter account. And if you're not logged in, it can also ask you to log in from here only, then it will ask for authorization. Right now I have already logged in Twitter, so it is just asking for the authorization. So click on authorize app, and in a few moments you will be connected with Twitter also. You can see we are connected with Twitter now. And now it is asking for the message and the media file that you want to tweet on Twitter, and the category of the media. Okay, so we got the details of these things here in the first step. So I'm going to map the data of I have received from the response here in the first step. So I'm going to map this data here in second step. So when you map the data, what will happen? Next time when you are going to want to tweet anything, you just have to put the data here in Airtable, and because of mapping, the data will change here automatically and a new tweet will be posted. Okay, so to map the data, just click here on this message field, and you will find this first tab in the drop down. So from this first tab, you will find the message here. Just click on it to map it. For the media URL, use the same process and find the media link like this, and select the category as image. Okay, now let's check the connection, if the connection with Twitter is working properly or not. So this is my Twitter page. This is my Twitter's homepage actually. And I'm clicking on save and send test request, and a new test tweet will be posted from my Twitter handle. Let's see. I'm clicking on save and send test request here. And you can see this is the response that we have received here. Now let's check in my Twitter account. I am refreshing the page. And here you can see we got a new tweet posted automatically from my Twitter handle. This is the post with the same caption. You can see the message that we have entered here. Here is the new post from us to all of you. Okay, and okay, so it is not showing the photo or the image here. I think the reason can be that so the file size should be less than 5 MB. The maximum file that you can upload from this automation is up to 5 MB. So please take care of that. And let me show you another photo I have here. I'm copying this image address and I'll show you. This is I think less than 5 MB, and I'm going to show you how it will look like in the new tweet. Okay, I'm just showing you the demo how this automation is going to work. And you can see this is how the tweet will look like with this caption and this photo. I just have I have to change the photo here manually, but you don't have to do it. And don't paste anything here manually, because you need to map the data, because we want to change these photos dynamically with every new tweet. So please do map this photo. Okay, right? And this is how it is going to work in real time. And we are done setting up this automation here. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done. And guys, you have to set up this automation only once. Once you set up this automation, you make the connections and map the data. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, you just have to enter the content of your tweet here in a row in Airtable, and the tweet will get posted from your Twitter handle automatically. Okay. So here we have connected Airtable in the trigger with the new record as trigger event and capture the test data like this. After that, in the action event, I connected Twitter and map the details required to be tweeted in a new tweet, and make sure that the file size should be less than 5 MB, and you will be done here. And click on save to save this workflow. And guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.